everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul. This was actually purchased for me from my beautiful daughter. I was watching Crafter's Companion. She was just kind of in the room at the time. And basically she'd seen, like I was saying about these boxes that was come up, and I was waiting for them to go live and stuff like that, and she said she would buy me one. So I was like, all right, okay, thank you. She said, yeah, you choose one and I'll buy the opposite one. So I said, okay. Anyway, as it happened, the Christmas one we couldn't get it up, so we ended up I ordered the everyday one and stuff, and then I said to her, well, I've actually got a voucher which can be only used once per customer, so if you set up an account then you can use this voucher as well, plus the first order you'll get 20% off, which I get for being a platinum member anyway. So she said, yeah, all right. So we actually got this for £35 just by being a little bit savvy. Is it a bit cheeky? Probably, because obviously I knew the product was for me, but I wasn't purchasing it. She purchased it for me, so there you go. But like, it was a lovely gift. It was unexpected. I was going to buy it myself, but I actually managed to save her £5 and managed to save myself the whole lot of the price. So thanks very much, darling. Love you loads. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the box. So as you can see, this is the Christmas clear out box that they had, and this was the box 2. So the first thing we've got are these embossing powders from the reindeer collection. Again, doesn't have to be used during Christmas, it can be used at any point. So this will not go in my Christmas box, it will go in my embossing powder drawer. Then we've got this Intralice Elegant Baubles. I feel like this was the best thing in this whole bundle. I mean, there's lots of goodies in here, but this was my favourite out of them all. I love the piecing they've done. It's just absolutely stunning. So cannot wait to create some cards using this. I feel like this could even be my main Christmas card that I make for most people, because it's just so stunning. Then we've got this festive wreath, which I'm not that fussed over, if I'm honest, so I probably will gift this to somebody else because it's just not really my jam. This, on the other hand, I think is really pretty, and it's again Stamp and Dies again. It's got a Winter Wonderland. I just think it's so different, and it's I'm guessing a layering stamp that comes with it. So yeah, really like that. And then we've got our Jingle Bells embossing folder and stencils. So absolutely love this kind of situation. If you're needing a quick card, this is a quick, easy card to do. So you can't really grumble. So it'll be interesting to see how I get on with that one. And again, we've got this stencils and embossing folder again. I really like it. I love the baubles and everything else. So I'm really intrigued. I love how they've done all the different colours and stuff like that. So cannot wait to try that out. And then we've got this Bacon Spirits Bright, and it's like a little mason jar, and you've got like little tags and stuff. I'm not sure if I'll ever use this. My daughter may do though. And the next thing we've got is this Christmas bow. I think this is really sweet. I really do. I love how they've done like this distress ripping here on the paper and stuff like that. I love it when like companies put some inspiration of how to use this, because sometimes you'll see something and be like, right, how do I use that? But at least this gives you something to look at and aim for, and then when you start to play with it, you can like create your own take on things. So I really like that. Sorry guys, got hiccups. And then we've got this Create a Card, and it's a Star of Bethlehem, and it's a pop-out card. Not too sure if I'll ever use this or not, but you never know. So the next thing we've got is a creator card, and this is a nativity scene, and that's actually what it's called. And it's just a die, and it looks like it pops out as well. I can see from these here, and it does. So there. And then we got this vellum insert pack. It's not something I would personally have used, but hey ho, I might give them a try as we've got them. And they're all like gilded in foil, in gold foil. And then there's some in black as well. So yes, that's quite a cool idea. Saves me having to make my own. And then we've got another Christmas nativity. And this, what is this? Stamps. So it's like a layering stamp, I'm guessing. So we've got like these 2 layers there. So you've got that layer, and then this layer, and then you've got a few accent ones as well. And then we've got an edgeable, which is a snowy day scene, which I think this is so cute. It really, really is. You've got 3 layers again. Pretty simple to make, and then just colour in the little bits yourself. I just really like that. I feel like that'd be a quick and easy card to do. And then we've got another creator card, and this is Town of Bethlehem. I think this is absolutely stunning. All we'd need to do is make job lots of backgrounds, cut this out in black card, and then Bob's your uncle, matte and layer it. It's done. Love it. And then we've got a Star of Wonder, and this is a stamp and die set. So we've got the die that cuts out all these lovely stars here. And then we've got some sentiments, and it's a Star of Wonder. All is calm, all is bright, and merry and bright. And then we've got a pack of luxury red cardstock. Now, this in itself I think is about £10 or something daft like that, £8 to £10. So to get this, all this for £35 is just crazy in my opinion. And then we've got the Bethlehem scene, which I'm guessing is part of like the other one where we had the snowman and stuff. So again, quick and easy cards to do, but we can also elaborate it by colouring in and stuff like that. So really cool. Be a really good shadow card as well to do. And then we've got another signature collection from Sarah, and this is the 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. I have got this one, but I am going to keep it just for the dies alone. I may gift the stamps if somebody wants them, but I'm definitely going to keep the dies so that when I do this, I can cut more than one out at a time. It just saves so much hassle if you're doing a job lot of certain cards. Then we've got a I can't say it. Snow Much Fun, the tag set. So this is another stamp and die, and you've got like the back end of the snowman, and then you've got the front end of the snowman, and like you match them up and you make a lovely little sweet tag for your gifts and stuff like that. So that I haven't got that one. That's cool. And this is the same concept, and this is Peace and Joy. Now I have got this one, but again I am actually going to keep it because of the die. Anyone who wants the stamps, they're more than welcome to have the stamps, but I do want to keep the die so I can cut out more than one at a time. And then we've got Warm Holiday Hugs, and again I have actually got this. I bought this last year when they released it, but so this will be a nice little cute giveaway for somebody because they're so cute. And this one's got like the mum and dad, and it's got some sentiments on there, and they are really cute stamps. And then the last item is this vintage scroll 3D embossing folder. So that was everything in this haul. So let me just count actually how many items we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22 items, guys. Again, £35. It's just crazy. Absolutely crazy. I mean, obviously, most people would have got them at £40. Not everyone would have had that £5 voucher that I had. So, but yeah, even at £40, it's still less than £2 a piece. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go, and thank you very much for watching this haul. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you purchased one of these, Christmas clear out boxes or the everyday boxes, tag me in it or let me know and I'll go and watch it, because I love watching it. Even if it's the same stuff I've got, I don't care. I like watching them type of videos. So I'm gonna go and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.